Come out here, there's spiders everywhere. What are you doing, man? Get out of the tree, dude. He's just as scared of you as you are of him. So I know what you're asking. What in the world is he up to in this video? What mod does he have for us today? Well, I backed the truck up, and as y'all know, I have done a school bus. Instead of one mod, I got 5 mods that y'all definitely need to check out. These mods are very affordable. They're under 50 bucks for each mod. Can't beat it. Mod number 1, vinyl graphics. I'm talking about decals, emblems, inlays, stuff like that, stripes, anything that will make your vehicle stand out and personalize it different than the next guy on the block. So what do I mean by vinyl graphics? You can see I got condensation up here, so y'all overlook that. But these are vinyl graphic stripes that are on the Raptor. All right, so, but it's not limited to just stripes. It's also like this custom tag I've got right here. You can see it's black and gray. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. So that is an idea of vinyl graphics. So on the tag is really good. A lot of the Ford guys without the Raptor grille have the blue oval, and just like right here, you can change that blue oval with vinyl graphics. It's really neat, and go with your personal choice of what oval you want to show off, whether it be a different color Ford oval or just something entirely different. Tailgate appliques, you can do the overlays on that to make it stand out. So I'm gonna see about installing this inlay inside there. We clean the area, and you spray some on your paper towel or rag, terry cloth, whatever you have. Now I know you're probably going to be asking, why the dishwashing liquid? Well, that keeps this adhesive from sticking, and like some guys will try and just stick it right on there and it'll be off. Well, you can't get it back off. This will allow you to maneuver it, move it around, and then once it dries, the dishwashing liquid will evaporate, and there you have it. You're going to carefully peel these off, put it in the dishwashing liquid. Got the bubbles up there. You want to place it in there. Wow, that's going to look really good, guys, I'm telling you. Look at that already. Now, we want to take maybe a wooden applicator stick or a Q-tip, and we're going to smooth out those bubbles. All right, so I'm using these little wooden dowels with a Q-tip on the end. That way you can smooth it with the Q-tip. And I do want to mention, if it's really wet like this and really slick and slides everywhere, you can hook up hair dryer, not a heat gun, hair dryer, and lightly from a distance go over it, and it will speed up the drying process. Very important, most important rule of the whole video: make sure you put this back before she knows you've been in the bathroom taking her hair dryer. Wrap that cord around, perfect. You know, it can get dangerous. Do what? I can have this? Well, cool. Buy you a Dyson. Oh no. Mod number 2. Man. Somebody backing up. All right. Get y'all a shorty antenna, and specifically the Ronin stubby antenna. That is one of the best that I've found. Don't just order any shorter antenna off the internet. You're gonna find out really quick that you will lose signal and strength and won't pick up some stations that you normally pick up. But that big tall antenna that you normally have from the factory on your trucks and cars, man, it's just terrible looking. So Ronin is one of the top manufacturers of the stubby antenna. Keeps all the signal, all your favorite stations, and it looks awesome too. So pick yours up today. Mod number 3. Everybody that owns a truck definitely needs the tailgate light bar. And surprisingly, they are pretty cheap. And mine is a Mick Tuning version, and I'll put links in the description for all of these parts, not just this. But you cannot beat this. Super easy to install, and I've actually got videos on how to install it on these trucks. But really good instructions. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer, or you can pay a speed shop to, one of those custom shops that do lifts and lighting and stuff like that, they're all too happy to put these on. Not too expensive. So, but if I were you, I would attempt this mod in the driveway yourself. Just clean the area under the tailgate on most of these trucks and wire it in. They've even got a plug that you can plug in to these little trailer plugs, but I just hardwired mine into the brake light up here. So, man, you can't beat it. So, mod number 3, third brake light, tailgate light bar. Well, that's third brake light's up there, but I guess that would be the 4th brake light, right? Anyway, you need it. Mod number 4. All right, if y'all have saw my other video regarding tow hooks and tow hook covers, if you have, great. If not, you need to head on over and check it out. I'm telling you, these are tow hook covers, and let me show you real quick. There we go. All right. Originally black. I got them on the front and back. These are the white ones, but they come in a variety of colors. They're silicone rubber, and you can pull them off, wash them in the sink with dishwashing liquid. They're pretty cool. So those are tow hook covers for the front. Go around here to the rear and show you these. So if you've got front and rear tow hooks, these covers are really awesome. And you're probably saying right now, well, why don't you just paint them or plasti dip them or something like that? And my answer to that is no. I mean, first off, you're gonna get overspray because you're probably not a professional painter like me. I get overspray everywhere. And even if you did do a good job, it's gonna wear off, it's gonna fade. It's just a long way around getting the same look. With these, they don't fall off. You just pop them on, pop them off, you're back to stock within minutes. I don't see what the comparison is, especially for the price. Another mod under 50 bucks. Can't beat it. Mod number 5. Last and certainly not least is tail light trim bezels. Tail light trim bezels. And you're like, what's a tail light trim bezel? A tail light trim bezel, as you can see, is this piece that goes right here. It's one piece design that's got 3M tape on the back. I've had a number of people ask me, is that standard on the Raptors? And I'm like, no, because in behind here, normally you can really see it right there. There's the red in behind there. So this is red, this is white, or clear white, and this is supposed to be red also. But the black really gives it a custom look. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video, everybody. If y'all like the video, it was helpful, and you like my channel after y'all go over there and check everything out, please consider hitting the subscribe button and throw some comments down, help your boy out, give me that thumbs up. It's always appreciated. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Man, get out of the tree.